Good morning, this is Johan from FAMS. This morning I want to show you how to adjust the voltage to the correct voltage on the magnetostrictive sensor, the hydrostatic sensor and the Tockham sensor. This is a very easy way to do it. You switch on your system, you open the system, you put your multimeter on your voltage side, plus minus. You can do it on the power supply itself or there, but yeah, you can also test it. And then you'll see the voltage that's coming from the power supply through the circuitry. So the best voltage for this system is, there is a little bit adjusting screw, and you turn it up to 12.4 volt. That's maximum what the power supply can give you. So if it's on 12.4 volt, everything will be in working order. Thank you and goodbye.